we're going to do Captain Beefheart. Her Eyes Are Blue Million Miles. This is one of his more radio-friendly songs, and it's still pretty far out. The Red Hot Chili Peppers are really probably the most popular group influenced by Captain Beefheart. Okay, so you can play B minor 7 at the second. That's why I got a capo here. I'm going to play it all with A minor and open position shapes to make it easy. Okay, but if you don't want to do that, just transpose everything into bar chords. If you wanted to play the riff, you could play it at the 7th fret or 5 up from the capo. There's the chord. There's mostly just riffs being played at the beginning. Okay, but we're gonna play A minor, C G, A minor, C G. That's the main two parts of the song, and then there's a little F chord action that goes as far as I can see, she loves me. So that F section is those are the first 3 parts of the walk down. Then we get to switch to the D string on the 3rd fret. So the D when we go back to the A minor, G, C to G. So she loves me. Her eyes, her eyes. Now, those 3 sections make up the whole song. There's 13 different parts of the song, and they don't do them in the same order. So I'll leave it to you to figure out when to play each one. But generally, they go from the first riff to the C riff to the F riff. All right. Thanks for watching. Have fun. Bye. This would be 7th fret, mostly on the B, G, and the A strings. It's not played the same every time. Her Eyes by Captain Beefheart. Her eyes are blue. goes.